Do your small rooms feel dull or cramped? A simple curtain glow-up can instantly transform your space without breaking the bank. Today, I'll share quick and effective curtain tricks that make your small room look brighter, bigger, and more stylish in minutes. Definition: a curtain glow-up means enhancing the look and function of your curtains using placement, styling, and easy upgrades that create an elegant feel. Why importance? In small rooms, curtains can either make a space feel crowded or give the illusion of openness. The right tricks let in more light, maximize height, and add charm without taking up extra space. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Hang your curtains closer to the ceiling to create the illusion of taller walls. Step 2. Extend the curtain rod wider than the window so natural light floods in when curtains are open. Step 3. Choose light fabrics like linen or sheer panels to keep the room airy. Step 4. Layer curtains with blinds or shades for depth without clutter. Step 5. Add T-backs or holdbacks to pull curtains neatly and free up more space visually. Tools explained: curtain rods, measuring tape, drill for installation, light fabric curtains, T-backs, and optional sheer layers. Workflow: measure your windows and decide how high and wide to place the rods. Install rods, hang curtains, and adjust length for a floor grazing look. Style with T-backs and layering to finish. Quick tips: choose neutral or light colors to reflect light. Use vertical stripes for a taller effect. Wash and steam curtains to remove creases for a polished look. Cost comparison: instead of buying expensive custom curtains, affordable ready-made panels, simple rods, and DIY T-backs can achieve a similar designer look for a fraction of the price. With these quick curtain glow-up tricks, your small room can feel spacious and stylish in no time. Try them out today and see the transformation yourself. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who love home hacks, and subscribe for more budget-friendly design ideas.